Our skin is different at night. Really? My name is Geraldine. I'm the founder of Nihon, and today we will be talking about your skin at night. Our skin at night really works very differently as it does during the day. During the daytime, that is where the skin actually takes on a very defensive role where it protects our skin from pollution, from UV rays, or even bacterial growth. However, when we're sleeping at night, does it mean that our skin is not working? No. What it actually means is, at night, our skin is then taking on a different role of repairing and regenerating ourselves while we have a good night rest. Keep in mind that at night, your skin is definitely a lot more happy to receive your skincare product and to receive more care from you, as the skin is much more permeable during the night. This is where whenever you put on your skincare product, it is a lot more permeable and allows the product to penetrate better and works its magic. So what does the Nihon Night Repair Cream does? It is actually a rejuvenating agent that helps the skin that not only accelerate tissue repair but also helps with cell renewal. But what are the true benefits of the Nihon Night Repair Cream? There are many. The most important one is that the Night Repair Cream really helps to fade away dark spots as well as hyperpigmentation. It not only that, it also helps to fade away acne scars, especially deep set acne scars. Not only that, it also helps to brighten up dull skin, moisturize as well as repair our skin barrier. What I really like about the Night Repair Cream is that it really helps to reduce the fine lines as well as wrinkles that starts to form when you approach the age of 30 and up above. One of the main key ingredients in the Nihon Night Repair Cream is the 1.5% of lactic acid. Lactic acid is a powerful AHA, yet it is gentle and does not irritate the skin much. The lactic acid, being a powerful moisturizer, really helps to moisturize the skin at night and really help with dry and normal skin as well. What the lactic acid does, it is a powerful exfoliator to help to exfoliate the top skin layer of the epidermis to remove the dead skin cells, allowing the bottom skin to reappear on top of the skin layer, revealing brighter and newer skin. Now, the next key ingredient works synergistically with the lactic acid, which is 10% of vitamin C. What the vitamin C does is actually acts as a powerful antioxidant, and what it does is it helps to enhance further the effect of lactic acid. When used together, lactic acid and vitamin C can help to really benefit the skin, brighten up the skin, and reduce the appearance of scarring and dullness on the skin. While having the benefits of an AHA and vitamin C, it is even more powerful that we have also included 0.05% of retinol into the Nihon Night Repair Cream. And as we all know, retinol is termed as the magical ingredient currently in the skincare market. When you first start to use the Nihon Night Repair Cream, you would definitely realize how moisturizing the cream is, but yet very easy to lather on. And when you wake up first thing in the morning, you would realize how plump your skin looks and how bright it is. What is so special about this product is it contains not only aloe vera gel, it also contains sodium hyaluronate as well as niacinamide. When these three combine, it really helps to improve that moisture in the skin, helps to bind in hydration in the skin, and give your skin that plump and non-wrinkled look. When you first use the Nihon Night Repair Cream, you would notice its orangey tangy scent. What a lot of people really like is how lightweight it is, and it's non-greasy, and it really absorbs into the skin very quickly. But yet, the next morning, you still get that moisturized, hydrated look, which many of us long for. Who is suitable for the Nihon Night Repair Cream? Definitely people with normal skin, dry skin, combination dry skin, and definitely for people who are looking for an anti-aging product. Anyone who are at the age above 30 years old up until the age of our moms, parents, our aunties, and even our grand aunties and grandmothers. Does this mean that the oily combination skin and oily skin is not suitable for the night repair cream? Well, if you've already bought the night repair cream, it is fine, and I will share with you how you can combine the Nihon Night Repair Cream into your skincare routine. So how do we use the Nihon Night Repair Cream? It's very easy. The steps are always the same. First of all, use any branded cleanser, and then you continue on to apply either your toner, serum or essence or even facial oil that you like. Next, apply the Nihon Night Repair Cream as a moisturizer. You can use 1 to 2 pumps and then apply it evenly throughout your face and even onto your neck. Don't forget your neck, because this is where wrinkles will start to form. One thing that many people do not know is that if you have dark spots or pigmentation, you can actually use the Nihon Night Repair Cream as a spot cream, apply it there, and you will start to see that the pigmentations will fade away even faster. If after applying the Nihon Night Repair Cream, you find that your skin is still a little bit dry, you can then consider to purchase an aloe vera gel and to apply it immediately before using the night repair cream. This will definitely help to lock in the moisture on your skin, and then that is where the night repair cream can work its magic. Well, for those of you who has oily skin, oily combination skin or even acne prone skin, there's a tip I can highlight to you which you can use so that you can also benefit from the night repair cream. Number 1, for those with oily skin and oily combination skin, you can actually use the brightening face cream as the first layer of moisturizer and the night repair cream as a second layer moisturizer. This will definitely really help you to reduce that oiliness in the skin, but yet still benefiting from the effects of the night repair cream and brightening face cream. For those of you who have acne prone skin, you would find that after using the night repair cream, you may develop acne that is reddish and also painful when you touch it. This is the effects of lactic acid because it is a powerful moisturizer. For those of you who are experiencing this is where I would truly advise you to use the night repair cream once a week or twice a week, but to use the brightening face cream throughout the entire night as well. Then, as you continue using this routine of brightening face cream and night repair cream and you do not see new pimples developing, this is where you can start to add on more usage of lactic acid from 2 to 3 times a week to 3 times a week, 5 times a week, and slowly adding it on to use it daily. I hope this video is really useful for you for your night skincare routine. Like this video and subscribe to us. And most of all, comment down below how do you add the Nihon Night Repair Cream into your skincare routine. And I'll see you in our next video.